nanom ebedu akechine mo aye ho adwuma ama sebi wonya wasomje misro Dorifa Vigo Plus for omo number na egu screen so no fa na one doctor entwetwe nkomo simple se wontimi enko pharmaceutical shop bia enko nkota o frɛ no nko a na ese fata se wo so be delivery mawa obeba na aba be ne sama ama wo so no eni je wi pay yo ede ama wo adwuma komienu we ena no pay wonom ede o musika aso masene ma ye de Koowaa morning show bro. Yeah, live on Facebook, Koowaa TV GH, live on YouTube, Koowaa TV, some Dark Horse Initiative, some Dark Horse TV, and so you streaming live and see what you say, obe subscribe to your channel, obe like your page, you know, obe comment, obe share now for so any be a share. Me Eddie Diane, do hene. Jemfi kwaten akusia. Well, latter part of the show be cry baby ahomato for natum edi amamo so ne enkoma ye be no wo so timi afre Edward Dwenche edi aba saso na o comment o view o bibia ya tro e we comment section on Facebook ye be kan edi ama wo the SMS so by be kan ama WhatsApp line at the screen so with me day a message no bibia fa ho and also no ye be kan edi ama anopay me motivational me dey ma is as simple as ABC but before then nkoma ye bedi and say enche ye bia na MPP communication national team members ni be ye friend so also bempa e dey ebetu dwa say boss one semsema buy for the vice president the former president of the Republic of Ghana JDM Mahama no nenka MPP4 edibetuja say womo ebeko sebie son sebie nyado His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ne office 26 twemu ya no na womo no sebie son sebie nyado womo no akodi ho enkomo eni ajadia no womo kwa womo se womo ede enkrante kuma ni ajadia sebie son womo ede beko senukrebi enimo na bra mo betu just 26th of this month etwemu ye no womo beko ho no na NDC4 womo so yo yate ye twemu enti mabru ni bi womo so board on pem ewo His Excellency former president of the Republic of Ghana JDM office na womo ekonomo ko siesie ho na siesie ni mo no mka se womo ko siesie no mo de atwen MPP4 no ene jai womo de kuma enkrante ene adiade sofi ni adiade no mo de kobo ho bede so womo de kotwen MPP4 a womo se womo ebeba na in fact sada no NDC foi emebuni ede enkrante ni adiade kobo bede wo ho no MPP4 no wo manko they didn't show up na eno ene His Excellency na drankwa ekufado ekupiemu praise before esofo ba kon na aje say omo send off e ama no eje na chi kwan krakrama na free baby o wa ko bi foforo no no ko to just say wono obisa say saade na emebunu no ejeje no sebi eno asekire anything ebeboa aden omo nyesa in fact na drankwa ekufado edi sasemu etu dwa say ensem fata se wo say wo mo ya saade no emmo kru no emmo man no basabasa ye eni ajeje no emmo no NDC foi wo mo san ba bonten edi o mo reply edi abre na adran kwakufu ado mo say nana tete break o baby awo tete break na sebio ye to abna no abaye ye tu etwa emu techi my north eni ajeje entokwa eni wontwi pie ho no wotimi ka ho asem wotimi pie bedi ho nkomo na afa yen ye de nkrante ni sofi ni ajaje esi ekosiesie former presidentในoffice ni ade atwen mo a mo se mo ba afa de nde oba bedi ho nkomo omo se na hweso na bu wo man well de ekoso nkete eno na bedi ho nkomo e bebisa se nti etoko so se ya ebeboa 2024 elections na ana se emwa sebie son sebie nyaado enu mo nyina no eboa amamu ana se emwa edi ayim hihye ba ana se emfa yim hihye emwa eno na ebedwafo ebetna sia ye bebo rem na ye di sa enkomo no the motivation me dey ma anope and say you know any pebia what ya sasti we so ade a ye friend no say you talking too much kasa bebre no e ate so ɛyɛ na enipa bebree ɛkasa saa sɛ yɛn nkɔmɔ pa sɛ yɛn nkɔmɔ pa ɛyɛ susu kasa wate efi sɛ sɛ ɔkasa bebree a ɔka deɛ yɛn ka oh yes ɔkasa bebree a ɔka deɛ yɛn ka sɛ wodi nkɔmɔ bebree a sɛbi ɛyɛ na wodi atoro sɛ ɔyɛ wadwen sɛ ɔbɛyɛ spɛni ho bebree a wodi atoro mene obi a ɔyɛ bɔne na ɔno ankasa no ɔbɛka deɛ wagye no afei ɔnka wo afei no deɛ sɛbi ɛsɔn sɛbi ɛnya do onim sɛ nkɔfo bɛka sɛ adeɛ wo ya wo yɛ deɛ wanya adeɛ ɛntwa yie ɛni kwa sɛ odi adeɛ wo di nipa we ɛdidi we no afei ɛkɔmɔ foforɔ deɛ nimu deɛ twam afe deɛ mfa ho ɛno ɛna ɔka saa wate ase kasa tentene wakasa saa ama deɛ nim deɛ mfa kwan mu no ɛno ɛna afei na ɔka sɛ mɛsɛ sɛ ɛyɛ su kasa efie hɔ a wotie wo kasa dodo susu kasa kɔmpa hɔ aso akɔ hae no wɔkye sɛ wo deɛ asɛm bi ɛkɔ wo asɛbio ɛbɛkra wo nkɔmɔ bia wo fie hɔ no wo na wodie ahwɛ wo bɛdi adidie yɛ ni susu kasa wate awade nim susu kasa empratwe nim susu kasa obi twempna obekasa saa me boy oyemi say me girl oyemi say eno oyemi say wano asemunti ena ma yetutia wo de nkrofo mu fa wonti ena ye sorry tia wo na sebi won hunu masema ebe da ye oya sebi mi kuna ato chese ka mame wato ka mu na mame wato chese we ga mame wato mpaba mu na mame wato achade mu na mame mame kan kire wo oyemi say mame kan ebe da ye wo hyi umu me ho akonta enya wo ya efe ni bremrew ti emro obi ti mesrew se eye susu na kasa bebre emwa mbajo watese wo de opa mankopon ka se wo ho de meka na enukwe nti onso ntime nka hwe yo mate kako watese abibi ameka se the end will justify the means wo di atro bebre kasa bebre a se ya atro se nya atro no ewieye no ekada kra ewieye no no krebe pie ama wanim aguase enti meso say yes sukasa. That's all I have for you, being it good or bad sukasa matomata de mo na obi sam so ya tade dada eno so so e ya tade mi wo se wa sheda e ya tade dada e yim sumi na mnim se eye mo no eno so e o sa hu da na se nyim no manyina na obi ho eno so e you understand. May God bless you e wo baby a wo bia no ka ho se obama sebie som sebie nyaato wo susu akasa e wo baby a wo me so say you live e wo Facebook Koowaa TV channel, live on YouTube Koowaa TV some dark and I'm off for baby e kaste sebie son sebie nyaato MPP any NDC yabre wom yabre MPP yabre NDC nipa bebre kasa no e wo see pia omo to baby na e kofa fofo e na no pay maybe style say yemfa omo nsi nche kofa hwan what I say hwan mo ene yon kofa wo mra which party and I wish Ghana for Bejo Matum. I say, oh, Sebia son Sebia Nyado. We are tired of MPP, we're tired of NDC. So we need to go in for this party. And then maybe style. John Panemra. John him, Patrol Fremia. Go straight to the answer. Diane, I don't pay me chow. Where the MPP and NDC we are brom, young coffer Wimra. Oh, money used to say, and I say, we buy and you see so big canisa and may yet long be a patrol. Straightforward. Call me 17 minutes after 6 a.m. Mosi ya brain people, Mosi ya brain NDC. Ben, and a young cofanamra and ne anope. Me question, I may be sour and no. Mosi ya brain womu, nemum party ben, and a young cofan womu, emra. What him say you come hardy. The two strong political parties are Obia Enima, Obia Beko Ediama, MPP. Oh, this is you are tired. Join and a young fano, Emra. Call me, Yako Freme. Utimi fra na waka atreme. Ane ya bro mo yonko. Anasi betima maintain wo. We can't we about. That's what I'm asking you this morning. Which one should we go for? Preliminary call 18 minutes after 6 a.m. And I pay Micha Brakeku, Ewa American, Hoya, Yohoye, Mamma Show, Mikro Monzamano, Michicha, woman, application possible to come number 1, number 2, Bizabuma Bash, Bangolok Bala, Madame Noko, Mongo, Look Bale, Way. Yamlo Yabe came for TV and a bit okay. Muko for fancy for Michicha, one in a second Ditakoradi for Michon and down or pay, Nakopo show on late for my wash the hand. Minchime, numbers and call or was saying or Yan Santimem. As I remember, my dear, Micha will be more call our line, Swana. Hello, good morning. Hello. Oh, not stop from me. Besides, simple question. Hey, and I don't pay. I must say, I brain people before your brain this for. And I'm going to back when I say, the every single day. And I don't pay me. Simple question. They say, most of my brother, why am I going to perform? Ultimate bore my fine. Once me on borrow my neck, may guess to know why you so punch or me corner or near dink or to me come show framing. Still, I know me more opportunity 19 minutes after stage lines no and you do a good screen or so no frame. Maybe some very simple questions. We says you're tired. I'm praying this before, and then this name before there, and they are broken, they are the same, and blah 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 blah. Every day we keep hearing it. Every single day we keep hearing it. And maybe so, why more? And a young more. Since you are tired of these two political amazing parties, you know, say, Commander, one, they call you chim when you better be a crana. We qua, we be back, we bar, we be quick. It's my system. Young of wine, young of wine, young of a don't go. Young of a boom, young of Akbalu, young of a wine. Call me 20 minutes after 6 a.m. Why am I young of home? Why am I also to say, in fact, when or no, and obit me. PNC, and I said, and I couldn't imagine my Rollins party, and young of her. And I said, oh, that's what I'm asking you. If you can borrow. Na yanko ya mumrema missing. I don't know what's. Hello, good morning. Hello. Okay, so waiting will be a more with their adding lines. Then I see one ma and one say me chawable. Na and no me the phone you know me close no quick because my one say mama say people say ADC or MPP. These two political parties, no, one more any idea more able or minor. I don't pay and come my EBD, an affair and on television. Now, they may be sano, I don't pay and say, and Chabia, do I have a call on the line? Okay, my main costo before about Bontine, a casse, a year to be precise, communication team members, maybe. Or can say a year bass on home and send summer every 2 in the office. Naturally say the Omono or Manaka or can some could be sunny day, some could be sunny day, some team cool, some could do some way. Or one way 2 journal and I end this in Melbourne be a transpose really okay, no problem. And to start done to see. Hello, good morning. We'll call our line. So we didn't baby or frame fee.
Hello.
Mebacho, good morning.
Hello.
Mebacho, didn't baby or frame me free. Mebacho, you say one.
Look at that cherry.
So even a source I make a sound say.
Hello.
Dabi, mwami. Otie no ho enti ebanesa mekasa on say enti call me back. Eli before amoshe edemo nyina ase enti wo fra Mr. Wa eya na wama uti volume no akofo. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Beme na mpacho udini baby afre me free.
Mbacho FM Reverend Prophet Martin Fedios mkaze brada mkwame.
Reverend na umpo mu yede.
Mpachi sinema mpaibo. Now swear.
Nakopantom. Reverend Pachi nti wa.
Oba na. The president ya Mr. Sobigi cha president obi no me alone. No be theater, no me alone. So problem. because you be so what be check me alone. Now taxi in there. It's a problem. They will be about the oil. Bani, will be about the oil. If you only check, no me alone, not for taxi. It means tax, it means property. It means baby. Let's have playing in America. All best I am mine. Apart from that, maybe no many. But ground.
All right. Medasipi also beats me abo a room. That's why I was waiting for you to call me before I made a topic and or to jar a day because you both ransom no break and one say yeko ye be citizens saying spectators into Ghana and common yes so ye be dibi if you say you kukumotono ye de twaba kukumoti power and ye can say it's now na in some abano ye fire no entum ye de ano ebetum ye be di Ghana and common be am na de because enchibia ye kotwaba say you po so be two so we to be brilliant so when abano kana mento and abano kana the same thing and no mobile say ya and I see
Hello. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho, didn't baby our friend me free.
Pacho, your family Emmanuel. Make us free. Ahyan Kwanta.
Imayeti wa no pay.
Pacho, share easy and na omuye program and performance.
Pacho, mawano ko. Yes. Pipi ne NDC eya na Ghana yesi ya brewo mo sese ye bisa say ohe na ya mama ne mra say ya bre NDP ya
Pacho madam maybe me say ka yen sister omuni ni na mwankasa as a host for no ye ni say money bidum ye ni say mo kafansa ekoi ye ni social media no more kind of influences the more why you know because you be kasa and could be madam let's say you see radio station every tree cafe when my yahin na mun kan na mun waye na yan se san ko fun wi na se baby no the way ya platform ebeboa ya here for me answer to me share money and really your mind as a kinship because they were among the years here only president but omumano and for so omumano for Ghana and a million my papa be doing to change Ghana me na me person is America
all right
because me juma me dey juma ba me suma ni me suma neba me suma madam fubi Ntenupe ena mitumi wokan kakra wosu.
Yeah, that's CP. Yeah, the eight being for party be ama. You na no see kabo nti parties no eba na you who say they be and so my way be. That's it. But yeah, as host and stuff we can bring political party into power. But I say in na kabo. Hello, good morning.
Hello. Good morning. I'm better.
Hey, me do na ho eh.
Yeah, me adu my that's one idea.
Nakupa adom yesi ho ye pa
the nyamiase pa magin kira ni se NDC ni MPP ni de omuntu me mo mai ba kokura omuntu me mo na kokura the Ghana na ke nyina ni muni pa gboni na e be ya gbe kwa dia nke sisa wo mo yesa ye di o ma ki o mai de be ya na be yo omuntu me mo dakuro omo ba omo botum ono mo fe omo mayi eti omo yire no mayi eti enti kamen kwa dia nke sisa wo mo enyi omo mpe no ka na nya pa odi ma je nsa no
yeah that's CP mama fa last caller or probably last two calls na fe no memory fee na hello good morning hey libo me sister ti o libi person kasa mo so still ano and the line no emwa into fra ya na o ma TV no e performance ti wo ho e wo TV no so e ti me mo no so na o ti me ati clearly hello good morning.
Morning.
Hello, Adaro Mama, next to Kakra Mame. We didn't baby our friend.
Hello. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Pacho. Didn't baby we friend me if free.
Make a sofi oboase.
Okay.
Hello.
Majo so odo mpacho udi any baby a wo frame me free mo anonko.
Pacho the tell say what for the nkwala me di ke yin adwuma nje o. Yin adwuma yin kola, yin adwuma yin. Ye tell say MPP ni NDC when you see drop me na our side. Ye for me ko abana na esa dia was phone ya if ya dane from me and ya den ko so yin adwuma ye be yo so adwuma ni o ma yin mu. Meio.
Yeah, that's CP and then me come ni na friend or boss for me chia mo nyina na de o mo abekasem o mo say djuma o mo nya binye that I'm saying in who be my say djuma na kwet who you know any ajaja this one that I will just put my voice in because when I'm free so no me say
hello boy ma good morning
mo nya bibi hello nana ya na ho nana nya me adom na so eh
Aba do mo tano zuna na kaze fida na ya bre. Isi na me ma pa na me mo awu di ma pa wudi de bua Ghana. Ya me no ka sie pa wa kuma yo hwe nyina o fo no nyem pa. Ya me ka ho bye bye.
Nana yakupon shrao no onyo kesie sama ka say member tano so abe show one of these days yeah so watch out nana yakupon shapa baba I think say me fala scholar wow na me draw the curtains down on the phone na memory fee na evangelist that is not say me do you na me na cover na ye monra esim no mu ano pay yes 30 minutes after 6 a.m. Last caller Emra na mefa any topic no and so you probably won't say you be discussing now so I can give it to you and then of course we'll move on live on Facebook Koowaa TVGH live on YouTube Koowaa TV some darkos initiatives and darkos TV so you stream it live or when to you subscribe to your channel no one like your page no now comment no one share now after so any be share me fa ko be my guest yes last Murphy, my evangelist, Koowaa evangelist, Richard Pra, Ashanti Regional Communication Team member for the NDC, evangelist me pacho, Koowaa. Mira now, Nyako Pado, Mira me hoye pa.
Me fasa kwan we so edi nchiasronko ama wa frefo no ebi free libo ne ade it show say Koowaa TV the whole we are say ehwemo the whole we are say is watching inti ya no pay yen semre no yen hihye ye ho enkran Proverbs 2 verse 21 and 22 or say for the upright will inhabit the land, and those with integrity will remain in it. Okay. But the wicked will be cut off from the land, and the treacherous will be rooted out of it. And the ne emebusam kachre ne se yeah ana wona ye de etene no wonu na asase no eye won dia na won so a one penki kan wa wondi hu hia won no omo so ana ebetena asase no omo na ebeka mu nanso otirimodenfo de oso obetwa no afri asase no so wona eye de emfra de bia omo pe nipa seye ne ade no oso obetu won afri asase no mu nti ena no pai ma wodi hu hia if not anything say nya bibia akra ye woto abusuam na edi na edawo so no enya wo nko a wodia na eye abusua wona abakọ wona ewo ho sese ni wona ebeba nchirima enti enam nipa baako so na abusua bi agidin pa enam nipa baako so na abusua bi agidin bone edi bi wo ho enne Ghana yetiasi wo bone wo baabi a anhwa obi abeka ne pono atuma na ye behwie nsu agu so ye betumi abobo bebre edin bi nso wo ho wo boy a obi abono mu ase nyame nhyira opem so na onko so nya opem so kese eye abusua nto atoaso eno no so abeto eno otoaso enam no sunti enkyirima nso beye nhyira nanso yatoto yani a yebehu edin bi yebehu abusua bi ba bia wo bebo din no yembie kwan ma epono mbie ma etoto apono entime mete hai bia pra abusua wonte da nanso nyankopon na meme so no wapagya abusua no ama ekina bi se me babi egina ba bia na me babi hiamwa obodi na obi bekasa abrantie bi a efre ne pra no wo nipa no no se me papa me nana me wofa na enameme sunti na masefo enyamoa no mu so adi yie nti ye nyina na no pai yemfa wei ento ye nkotodwem ye koye adwuma so ye ne ye bia no ye masade wei enka yen se ne wuye bia no udin bata ho enya wo nko a na emom abusua ne nkyirima edin enso bata ho nyame nhyira Diane wo ho ayefe udin ne wosidi enti wabusua ye nhyira hwe adwuma a wo ye no media yimu Diane no nye ne Diane o enso da wo agina wo na so me ba wanim kra na me fere o se mamu a me ho Stop it. Stop it. Yefa bi nyasere.
Mira, yeah, that's a papa. Won't crash out with the ashe. In fact, to say no, anytime bia ube bano, me no be shiano. Mary is motivation at train. I'm a now, dear my
Pacho, yeah, for motivation. Omo ehwe ondodo na pe motivation me ba na me so me de media na to.
No. But I wanted to wait for you to come so that when you come, nice to watch your na aye very nice.
Me da se enmonyam sha wo de shemen.
Anytime be I think say I'm yet to know say every Tuesday you come.
Say de kire no nyankopon de enkwa kire Tuesday de obi a hwe evangelist ne Diane.
Exactly. Say every Tuesday be I mention amwapa. Ba me pacheti I'm waiting for my motivation.
Ene meba ntem emo 5:30 na me wa na me no start. Yeah, ka brabo mu nsam entertainment ni bibia. Ye de bia na politics.
You understand? Oh my God.
Stop it. Stop it.
We not entertainment to show there work me.
Minim.
Entertainment today. What do I say my I have met to secretary chow.
Insro.
Not have chow do. You shall be brave for the good things you've been doing. I really appreciate so much. God bless you. My what's up to me home. Say ya na yimfa na ya na wow. Fast forward and I'm not paying a comma yebedi evangelist nyatna stay maybe bisano say minim say what it evangelist say what it did that say enche bia and also been pass be so on say be nyato national communication team members for the MPP babontin or be to just say but one thing say number ko his excellency former president Mahama office said the could do so na in fact or they asem no etu dwano and na ebuna ewe NDC almost so 26 na omo yo madwen say wo mo be for mo nkrante wo mo Sophie ni atiade 60 GDM office wo mo eche wo mo na in fact wo mo ko sisi wo de sanu ma we nyina ko yese wo mo de twa wo mo no the MPP Sebiso court team could not even show up. Na eno ena ababitoja say adakwa fado ekopi mu abra presby empeni bi jane kwan no or they betu just say Sebiso komodi o kasa or say o hwesa no ma we ya so eno emo se ede ni yuhuni ena ede nkrante ni so prayer ka ho se den wo mo edi be sa no ma we in fact enye kra emo mama mu enkoso emo na ka se bi ya anything well everybody say what say e dey more reply say dey ama na na don ko fa dey say fa titi break say this was say na say we can I was saying can ba na wa ka almost say enche bi abai to techima no for city baby no ento ya na na ma bond am the country we and afa evangelist aba
yo dan meda was wo de agu epono no so ha o man panyi ho
baby ko so
yo media me mete ne nka ache na nia me pese menewo yehwe eyese ene wiase akonanim enti bibia ni ho a wobetumi ede esuma bibia ni wo social media ne abafo ententan ye bai bibia pane kura to a wokọ saa fidie no so a wobetumi ahunu baabi apane no eto ye ne baabi eda enti ye wo memu ha ye kotoa baabi a MPP aye political party a omo de nokure pa de nokure digitumi omo mpe entro na brebia no omo de dada Ghana fo bi na ebi nso eje won tro ni di no wode won tumi hye won sa yenhwa de ebi ede na ekofa a sansem we nyina bae ede na asi ye wo mamu ha na Professor Mills time o my Ghana eto ewiemu hyen ede beka o my ye ban bo sem ho na ekoba ye no ana yete se MPP fo a wo opposition samre no ene wodi to me ese ketasehye ni dwirim bi ekoso na samre na His Excellency John Dramani Mahama no a vice president enti ono ana ye the chairman of the Ghana Police Service ene ebaban bosem ni ade a the head of the economic management team ni sadien ti o man panyini Mills so ono no endia ni mu no nkoto okoto ba ya sansem no ekoso no ehwehwemu koso baby bia ni wa ye ka say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama wafa oman sika na wa ye bibi na say dwadie we ekoso ewo UK memu enunti say wofa wo phone a wobetumi abo Airbus scandal heading a Airbus scandal Saint Mahama and others finally cleared by UK Crown Court of any wrongdoing. 5th September 2021. Enti ehwehwemu koso wo UK memu 2021 ana court bata wo UK etena ase no say bibi boni bia nkoso
na eho na wo se hwehwemu koso ana se Ghana na wo se koso
ni ewo mu ni edwadie no wiemu hyen dwadie na koso wo UK. Na omai bia wo ne mra enti baabi edwadie no koso no eho ne ye nhwehwemu Ghana enso betumi aye nhwehwemu but die bekwa akɔwie ni say wo se Ghana sanso kɔ UK ho because eho na edwadie no ekoso na wo fa omo system omo court system omo mra ene so Ghana ntumi mfa ne mra enko UK koye de epe sanso na UK ntumi maha emfa ne mra because oman bia wo mra odebo no ho mra enti se wususu se bibia akoso wo man foforo bi so na wuhia nkyiremu ana hwehwemu a wo de kodai sa oman no na omo ankasa aye nhwehwemu enti mame ade we nhwehwemu we akoso ama Ghana fo ewo mu nyina no yase omo endi phobia fobuo bia ambo na wohwe we no mukra mpo a nowhere ena yabo His Excellency John Dramani Mahama from all the reports aba the omu use ye government official official 1 official 2 official 3 official 4 sana omude ye omayi nowhere baby a wase obi din ba mu no omaboni din abrantie bi wom ono nso edin Adam Mahama Samuel Adam Mahama enunti ode Samuel Adam Mahama nti yentwe His Excellency John Dramani Mahama emrem sa brantie oye UK ni even though oye Ghana ni a ene okura UK nkrata omusi ni di Mahama nti President Mahama nua mene wote ya kasai Saturday me ko obi ayi nipa me ko na ayi no ye friend Mahama ote ahojo ha ya
Obaso
minim ne pa
we must say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama kwano de Mahama.
Absolutely.
That one there it can be but
absolutely.
But say I can't say yen shishim what I say brand up of Samuel Stiase.
Yes.
May he so rest in peace. Oka say yen shishim the Airbus scandal no and see I didn't me problem they say I don't yen shishim yen shishim mo Ghana na yen shishim mo amanone and I'll be buama me say that was where it took place.
Yes.
You made in a court.
Yes.
And see that's where it's supposed to be, you know.
Yes.
Looked at yes. Na Ghana enu kwase hwemu hands wana
you ana ma kiremu no Ghana ewo ho kwai se oye nhwehwemu bia but enwie peye chese wako UK wo dan wosuma me se me nkoto entoso mbrao ewo ahodwudwo ususu se me sika no matibi ananso se ne wo ka se me nto no ma nto matiska ne bi se wo pen hwehwemu a ebema me hu san na nso se wo hu sampa ntoso na me koto me de bito so a eye edwom ho wo be kwa akohwe ma me na me to ntoso no wo ne ho no ono de ono be ka na ye final enti sa na tie me ntumi fa ntoso ne mra na wo ntena fie na wo adwe nkira wo se me ntoso no se me nto 10 cedis wo se me nya 5 me baaye me de 3 na aba ni meka bia wonte ase wo se wo se ye 5 anu nti manto 10 cedis na wo suma ame no ususu se mato 7 cedis or 8 cedis wo ko edwom ho a wo behunu ni ameto ntosu no wono ho ono di ono beka no se meto 10 meto 8 na ye final enti de atie no so far almost how many years on from time Professor Mills edi adeba it's been over 10 years over 10 years na do ba e kura 7 years no womu next year obenya 8 years na yetu woni ne MPP no mako enti ehifa ene yete UK for the mfie bebre aye nhwehwemu ama 2021 ye bu asem no court aboagu still ye wo mamura se ye wo asem bika enti fast forward eno na brantie a ye fra na aboa papo apapo ye den aponche apapo mo amunim na ye aponche nipa odi aponche ewo enoma bebre ede na aponche ye most especially aponche bema usan ho na pampa mu bompa it could be a factor aponche bema na nimu atayan kasa it could be a factor nti den na bema nipa oba nyimu 9 months na wuti ase na wobeti na ho na wakasa wo ye fra wa aponche nipa mu aponche that aside aboa papo ena obi abehu nipa mu aponche
se obi ani din ode
ono nso dia wafa no no se on de ode aponche a ye fra na papo ebi nso opa aponche nam it could also be a factor enti that history no me minim but the minim se nipa bi tiase wo Ghana ha ye fra na aponche a ye kana papo okay enti Diane abrantie yi wo ye amanyo semu me emra mete ne nka aye fonka any game Ghana for ebekai aye Nana Kuredu Ajiman Rollins any Professor Mills emra Professor Mills aye president na party ne nhyehyɛ mu no every 4 years ye flag bearer ye to aba dia wo ye president o wo ye den emra ne se ye nto oso aba obi a osusu se one obepre bia no ewo ho kwan se one obepre enti yete se abrantie bi eka na kunadu campaign team no ho a ye fra na abo apopon a ode aponche osu bempa no ka ye wosofu bi wo ho no so ne nsem eyade a onti ye yusu abo aponche ana abo papon no ana o dina no see Professor Mills ho fro Professor Mills a nyame fa ne kransi ne nyina papa yi anka hwe samre no ana Ghana fo bi hu se abrantie bi a ye frɛ no abo papon eye osu bempa fast forward abano nana kunadu awe poto ehun nsɛmsɛm ye koye nim no nana kunadu ate no ho ɛna ye kase onye NDC ni wakote ne party NDP oni aboa ponche nipa mu aponche aboa papon ene koye aboa papon otena platform bia political platform bia ne kasa tantantan ya osupa mpanyinifo ama mre bi kura na no ekotia Ibrahim Mahama ama court nsamba mu ye de ekaka siapa na to no so menim se oni mpanyini akopa chew enka Ibrahim Mahama on bibia sabrantie ne ye bema no obibi wa bobra on strip no naked na oji a onfa manyanka next time politics ayeyi ye nyina ye firi abusuam ye ewo se ye din hu hia ye enti de wo ye bia de wo ka bia ususu se ye politics ebetumi wano betumi ayika ama enti abrantie ne waye no politics mu tantantai nyina no ene oye MPP ni hwe baabi ofri no se oye NDC ko supporto nana kunadu te ne party NDP oni aboa papo ne koye MPP ba ye enne aye kasai oye MPP ni munhwe nipa no wo se ye di MPP ne twa ofunuma wadi MPP achi saa no enne o se oye MPP ni ama ye no deputy director of communication of the MPP no aside no adwumaku a ye friend Ghana Gas Professor Mills ne His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ebie ye se enhwe Ghana ya gas nsem no abrantie Prof Kasem oye spokesperson oye won kasamafu ana osanso kasama MPP abusuaku no yete se waye na dwen se sa airbus ya machire mu yi okọ His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ne office no wakoye yi kire sa airbus no ne onya wo mu bia no onfa mbra ensam basa ne mra unim se to demonstrate Ghana ni bia right wo mram obia tumi ye kire ne wonte ase ne ususu se how ekwan wudo osu bebre na wo betumi ama mpanyini ate wasem ekwan wudo osu bebre ebi ne ye kire ti abrantie ye se odinka ka 16th November obeko omampanyini dada baabi otena edi ni dwuma ne office na ewo ho na NDC mbabunu
ba say na 26 ana
odinka ye 16th ana otu de share da na say about 26 okay oh asemu ani asemu hia NDC mbabunu nso ye omadwen se omampanyini aso ye a odi ni dwuma wo beko ho no wakoye clean up exercise ahudidie ya de ehia enti wonso
the same date
wonso wa share date ni edikan no na ye 16th ana omunso etu share da de ko share 26
so how come say on the date bia or no be share no na omo so e so mo de why is it so
Diane yeti omamu ha yi ye kire bebre na ekoso samre na ye kire ekoso no obi itukwan samre ye kire ekoso obi ye na adwuma samre ye kire ekoso no obi baba abegina kwan ho abehwe bi enti the fact say wo Diane wo say wo pese wo ye kire no enkire say me baabi a mesusu say e wo say me kosiesie ho no me ntumi nkosiesie ho emra bia ni ho atia emu bia
date na ka BBC ana
bibia nsi enu nti na 26 no NDC mabunu eko omampanyini dada aso eye eko siesie ho na se ba no se clean up exercise
de di sika ka ho
baabi eho afu no ehu behia se obedo nya wonsa even though ye etumi de yensa etumi etutu enwura no wohia sekan wohia praye wohia hwibaro sa no ma ni nyina ye de eyifi enti NDC mabunu no koyeye ampa ene obi o twam wo ho bia di adanse ese eho atekan eho ayefe na diama sa asem wei abaye topica se ne brodni beka no aya asem a wose Ghana fo eka ho asem yese wonsem bisa se o mampanyini oho na wose oho meten nka ache wakọ akochia asofupon ne asori bi na eho na ne kasa mu no wa site NDC mbabunu anamontu otu ye menti o mampanyini ase ane die nti oka
na so obisa sa enye wrong
then obisa ye
say se be so se be enye adre ba ne say na se mo ko clean up exercise mo de sikan da die shovels ni ade eko no what for
nti ene no
osusu say it wasn't proper because omo agenda ntia omo de sa no ma no ekoye
o mampanyini susu se ne obi koye clean up exercise no de sika enko or de sofi ko or de hwibaru ko de praye ko a eyebone nia o mampanyini pese o ka kire Ghana fo no no mampanyini fie yensiesie ho
to say because say MPP aboa popon ka say 26 na ombeko hudinti no mo so saade no
Diane enti so obi ye kire na obi kotwam a akọ ne baby okwa ayebo apayo
difference between this one if I show
what is the difference?
The difference is almost 16th no now almost the almost clean up better 16th one now the date was changed to 26 26 corona after most had the clean up exercise no which means there's an agenda.
Diane, what is the agenda? For me the only agenda I know ne say mbabunu no ekosiesie o mampanyini dada office now me menti o mampanyini ase ene asema okan ye wo mamu ha 2020 abaye to 7 December 8/9 ya tese yete se Ghana mabunu Ghana for be 8 ewuye
all right
if not anything Tachiman South nipa miensa ewuye baako no ye truck driver otwika ko Mali baako no 14-year-old girl
we all had
Ablekuma abrante bi na oye police ni ojaye
okay
yeku no nipa 8 omampanyini nka ho asem wo baabia da
na mo this time why NDC for the why command so take a break manning ka ho hwe because one more mo free mo abra ye to aban wetimi ameka ho hwe
say ye wo omampanyini na nipa wu no nka ho hwe no bi koye clean up exercise and tuntuma enwu entafra enwu akura enwu ne sa no oma no na enu no ya de ehie no na moment na ye kasai unim say for almost 1 week ni somewhere in the Volta region and kwanta ho enamitie news nipa mienu asa wu aka 8 ho entokwa asi ho amma ntumi nkodwom kwamu ena wodidwa what is o mampanyini aka ho asem enoma bebre na ekoso wo mamu ha unte so mampanyini ka ho asem ena de se embabunu ekoye clean up exercise a topica a issue.
Okay.
Oh, man, Penny, and who said, what's our car who was
Okay.
For me, I don't get it.
Okay. My right number, my Jimmy, of course, Jimmy Boachansa, director research, and of course, the elections, the MPP in Shire, so Jimmy Pacho Akwaba, Vivian Boko, Danyamia say, and commanding Mr. Abet so that when you are Bobby Borum, more Borum, what did your man Pennyaka? What would you say about it?
I did it, my empire in Chiasuko, Emma Bibia, and then the Wajibra, na etuma mpeni for mewura ne mo so amtutu niema ma bibia aye kama se bi ye dia seda sonko ne de bema emfasa akonya we so na minchia asanteman na me ma otumfo te kokoso kwatenten na no kwesi ade twa mu akwesi de kama ekoso e wasanteman mu o mentimi akobi na ye di joma bi fufuro so baby ti mentimi akobi mo bet kama o hwem penifo a bi pie mu ho na clearly, the flag bearer of the MPP, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, on any Hokafo, MPP, national officers, including the General Secretary, Lawyer Justin Frimpong, Kodia, Kwam Faswa, Umbabwa, Santa Mai, Emma, Juedini, and Coswano, Santa Mai, Ashen and so. Say, a troop Papema, a Katia Pabia will be an Pema, and my good. In change, I so for Shaiso constituency. Mother Roma, Naja, Mamma baby, I take, and Akuma would so. Yenya baby, I see D. Juma. And then come on, Mebo Abaso, acquire our first war would be some very key and important questions. Don't say, Ayana, ye communicators, your banner ye casa, Bessia Casasa without any question. Maybe any panusun in Biffy say. Asana work and propaganda na atron wodi say one of the questions I will be saying one of the questions I will be saying say sebi oman mu na yeti hazen di ono eye mampanin tiniu amam vote me demonstrate kokko present your petition e the man but the eye mampanin no sebi anka obi beka say and net demonstrations are what do amaye nyina no was occupy Jubilee House near the nyina somewhere Bank of Ghana ma occupy it is if be na mo occupy but mo de mo feel say mo the right to occupy where you want as a man who should be empowered kan abo papa be kan ni say opeso the petition come mampani on the Airbus issue wan ka say okokun wo so and na meso so me fi say sebi o mampani dada John Dramani Mahama o say o sa pese obedi mampani ni bi until one of the key things that was encounter demonstrate to the ordinary Ghanaian and say we are accessible. Okay. What you say? Because you might think say abo papon enko na pese okowa na say oko present bibidi mampani dada, but notwithstanding that there are other people so much tension omo do money here then one o she date is obeko 16th and na mabunu ne say amokwa e cleaning ofio sebi ye ya yete ase menini mi ye ya we say mampani dada John Dramani Mahama ifi due bi ensi ho mfuye bi eni ho abanya fa dwuma yefo ka yitu omoka cleaners drivers scavengers mo ye dwuma wo fi ho no ma abantu omoka okay pacho de mi kan wa ti ase enti efi me na wo ho no ma e atentam se kan se de ko enti me ka che o se o ka kire me se what times se kan se wo kodo mampani dada John Dramani Mahama fi a e palpable force and tro na wudi sebi onu ye fit to what extent you fit to what extent to say sekan be aduanu as aduasa obi akuta sekan fi be no nka no kre so adem bi wono ma mi kura metie sisi kura metie baby a mete mi njin di se bibi wo ho no ma eye efuya e be require sekan ebia esereketo bia obetimi de on sakra ere asumatu pavement blocks nti enya de a mfuye be boma se nipa aduasa ayi mabuna wo greater akra nyina be fa sekan se omo kwakodo. Let's get that one right. Now you're linking it to the change of date. Now we're changing from 16 to 26. Now most of changing from 16 to 27. And yet, BB was here in I encourage. At TB or Honoma, your future, yes, I can't crew woman. Now you're too mabunu for one. Because Sebiu and Yabo including the NDC communicators. For the 8 years on better a bemu, penfu woman, no munya juma be a radio suka can no monante, and mamma mojumanya. Interne. So we see, and there will be ditching now back at Tam Sekai. Now the back of Yena at Tribi, Bibia Quack Kusina, what will Lusu life? A woman would can show say, who put him the second thing, I baby. A summer government penny and another dunker for do can say. Says Hadian the Kosovo, Mampini that John Dramani Mahama fear cry, or no, or few wa, or she say. And Mantan and Fasakan that display. Ubet me the second could be in free being what ubet me the second call say Okakodo. But when there's a public display, I recorded. In summer more can we chiri amount for the second show say 2024. Yes, I have the video on my phone. Video no. The video is on my phone. And I'm so highly disappointed in the national executives of the NDC. You see, stage now you do. These two major political parties, we have a role to play in making sure, say, 2024, the elections will be peaceful. Until we are national officer, we are Penia Yato Abamawa. You don't allow some of these things to go on, especially in the house of the flag bearer. Okay. Say, ya bonti baby crana o, ebia o ye ni control. And then the flag bearer ni fee, and the mebunde sakaya kugu, and the live video. On Facebook, it was live. The Omuchaya would be go about media for capture. It was also live for everybody to see. And the display now more display the Ghanaian people.
And now say they were displaying for what?
Say asama ira abo papo de beto abonten say. Opeso ko presente the petition. Now, to prevent anybody from accessing the former president. Okay. Until I can say, so also some person be mampeni bima, obedi mampenia, onya mampeni fama NDC ama yukuru. We demand the Ghanaian people. Until we change so baba be mampeni, now we Jubilee House one man, then people will demonstrate and walk to you. No, I was so chere say, nanka mampeni that a bit me chere, bibi say oye a leader, and oye a new leader biya. Ghana for bit me just what to Obama because the amount for him found and the never free say and say about Munti and Fambra because we are a changed person. No. Should have even call on Nippon or the petition about so Fabra and you. Then another cast in which or see. So which job be not criticize you be brilliant. One, don't look at the content of the criticisms now. Idiot and as a boat in Nkwa. But share be a woman who free say the entire boat, you know, a BB was a one cast out trust now making some changes. You could have even called him so, oh, say, let's meet at this public place and present the petition to me. Now, me share the content of the petition. Now, say, me feel say, as some was stated, I didn't concern Airbus. The me feel say me clean on the Airbus issue, dear. I will respond appropriately. Now, do no thing time of say, Airbus as me crown be boom, if I'm penny that I don't remain my home. No, so swap. They did some no airborne or clear the air. But then you support it, say you will not receive, you will not take that petition. One, you support say and mebunu and me stop ubia or person bounting. And say ne about upon I stop on the indirectly Ghanaian be of energy office will be stopped. And not just say yes stop the insecure and ma and sa to trust something that vandalize way now man. That is the approach of the badia. And the not the head of the country will not sit down. And I'm very, very happy. Congregation and as a meeting and all was here. Now we see a so for painful. And they himself mampeni that John Draman or sorry, I saw them on Nama or campaign. Who the so quasar them. 2023, you see 2024 as an election year. Who they want start to campaign, who are the right to start, who don't want to sorry them. But so we ba wo fie die that one is not allowed be no be pene ama obi aba wo fie dia then if you say e was set na mampani this asem no to asofo nani because asofo mpani fo no ye one group of people bi a omo boa ma asumdua a ye wo manim no ye den e protect nti na wotia no say ka say we esi mampanya kan wasem we esi mampanya kan wasem we esi mampanya kan wasem no se bi ontia bankesim ana mampani so be statement ase bi sane o memo say me ba be statement nti betie mampani wa ba region mu this month nko aminim kwa ba hatu oba on bebo amane so nti ne bi wo ma ya update you ansa na yaka there are a lot of issues e koso o memo ha mampani na dan kwaku do aka na sem aka ho asem a kire na dwen wo ho
nti na wo mo a mu ye de waka ho asem not this very one na waka ho asem does it mean it be a special scene be ana
one me pese anka yewo means be a bit me verify
okay
at say on kan ho asem a then we are able to see say on kan ho asem
okay
and then two when in a certain space of time team yi ba time bia ye wo election period mu no say 2016 time ana over no incident happen na onye mampani team yi ba na onye mampani and police for a investigations team yi edi investigation ni mu hwehwe mu beto abonten no those people were found to be putting up activities are any warranted at election centers. See, ballot box are you to about atom. Police in the night then about say on buying, making sure say the right thing is done at the polling station. No, say what? Also we have babunu. Na ya fro near Mousika. About tona yin na ton, kotam ballot box on the jan. Na penimuna or say what na. Oh, you no amount 20 Ghana cedis. Then you go and then a mansan ballot box are in na to guma. Yen na you cook kumutini to me egumuno. Unkwa wako tamse what they call dia. I believe say we should not encourage some of these things. And we in sema I pack any other committees here these political parties are. They advise them to advise their youth. So I didn't be one man. I believe that me and you say na me better be mouth. The list of people are from PNDC era from 1992, 1996, 2000. I omu nya na be mouth list no. E ya de obi a se bi o odi Ghana man you say much be an enemy. But if you sit here and you say oh we see here one can we am we see one can we am I believe say enye bibia e wo say ye de tons ni ani but ye ntias ye say yentias yese obi empetu prakopembu okay and na sebi wo mo mawu no wo mo mawu no you don't even know their status what I say o mo belong to A and as o mo belong to B but let's get it clear say time issue ni happen here kopem say 7 January 2017 e be so mampani as president on the seat no. The issue was addressed by the security officers, police for no involved, police from Penny4, at the Munchich remove by 12 electoral commission. Na Sambreno, or ye in charge of or mine on ye abattoir yeton, or would you money be and a person verify he can go to their website and do the due diligence.
Evangelist.
Mommy, me makase. Adwuma edin pa debia meka adwuma edin pa wo ewiase nyina sesei se wo hwehwe adwuma edin pa wo wiase sesei a eye se wo be attempt se wo kasa manana do danko ekufu ado ne senti ne sen menua kuma nsema o ka no ensisi so one eba no aboa papo asem na apapo ya ponche aboa papo asem no o se abrante ne pese o de petition koma his excellency John Dramani Mahama na NDC mabunu no prevent enu nti Ghana fo nhwe se his excellency Mahama aboa ponche aboa papo empo na de ade ekoma na ye man kwan nti Ghana for me. Meanwhile, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama oko apro ohia dwadifo ohia sofo ohia adepamfo oko omo anan so a wo tie amanfo asem. Madam, me pese me bisaw me nua Jimmy wa hai ebi obetumi aboa yen ene ahwefo nyina se aboa papo afre anawa wabo His Excellency John Dramani Mahama manie se opese ode ade ebre no ana His Excellency Mahama say oni ne hombre ana NDC mabunu say ye ma wo kwan we ehefa now o chiremu ana His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ni fie bia ni woni ade wahu madam ye hwa ade bi o man panyini asama okokan so man panyini fi se de NDC mabunu eye no etiamra o mamra anya adwuma see I say or human rights advocate and say no mani nyina so susu say the NDC mabunu ne ye etia Ghana mra bia o man panyini ona tumi ne won say on kire for one so e bema just issue a statement and they should go for them. You see, and kakasa ya can say nyina absolutely so BBNC why BBNC tie ya hwa de bi national security intervenes to stop fixing the country. Planned picketing at Mahama's office. You can Google. Maybe any story. Let's say the National Security Ministry says the planned picketing could set a dangerous precedent on the protest organized against private individuals. You can read all the story. And tisabwa papu antumi anko onko bisa national security MPP ni honorable kanda dapa omo enimu no ni video bi ebeto dwanes ade but that is his private matter omu enimu no omu national security and stop abrantie no NDC ni bia stop obia ana yes ye clean up exercise we kept announcing it. It was public.
But didn't you?
I didn't the national security susu say na mono enyan oman stop on just as they stopped Abua Ponche. Now, many years so kekan sembi the kobaha no afaha the kobaha or the President Mahama sorry ho na den aye medase say or bua ama Ghana fo ate say nke bia Ghana ni ba bia wo bia His Excellency John Dramani beba ho say ye dwom say ya sorry say ye yi ase ba bia wo His Excellency beba ho enti and someone minua me sanso a challenge and I'm daring him waka bibi say nipa ewuye no during the elections no waka bi say police aye report say no mu ye no ma ensem fata I can name omo ayeku omu nyina any obia age any omo gender ebi kura 14 years to a point say minua say police for report ni kire say no mu ko wia ballot box produce report and I want to know I want to learn me pese misua na ba bia meko bia men kan kire Ghana for sani omu wuo no ba bia meko bia wo baba asem maker so I'm challenging him Jimmy on this platform Kumawood produce the police report on Nipa 8 na wu year 2020 no. So you think he said police have to be out? Madam, I know what I think. Me bibia wo beka bia me bie me hwehwe. So it's not a matter of what I think. Me nua na aka asem dia hye Ghana police. Me maintain report no. Me nim all the metino me kenkai me hwehwe no me nua moa me so wo me number send the link no ma me the police report I want to read na me hunu set achima nipa me ense ewuye abofra 14-year-old girl eka ho no mo police force say according to Jimmy omu ko wia ballot box Jimmy na bi bisaw madam bi bisaw oman ya yetimu why ene mbra be na kire se obi wachi obi edi bone kura no yekuno mbra be wachi obi ogina ho edi bone so odi ewu so owie obi ade emra be na kire say kuno to a point say me say police for report kire say san nipa 8 aye ku omo no omo ko wie okoye no ma emfra o say unwarranted things
but so one ka say police for ne ku omo
o say police eye nhwehwemu eye nhwehwemu and omo de police they don't speak in isolation.
I know
in normal be say and na ye ka say obi a ohwe kuma wuda ne de hie bi ye to aba ne ye kun no no asem we keke kura ye boss no akai nipa ne yaw
of course
omo pe justice omo pe pare yo ama wa adehie menia Jimmy Buachi ansa research officer MPP and former secretary of communicators in Sano with all his accolades at Nakumawood platform iso say nipa ewu ye no police eye nhwehwemu I want to know me person me hu madam me person me hu ma bisa bone ma bisa bone enti I'm challenging Jimmy to produce it or me number or only producers on farm mamo mo me sabeka e bia me number na free ni phone so
okay go ahead
enti aya rehosem one of the reasons why it was 2024 7 December say nyamede Ghana obia nkwache no a ya to aba ensese wo hwe ba bia osono ne dakura ensese Ghana ni bia hwe because of ensembi say hwe nipa 8 awu ena ye ka say driver nia no treat truck eko mali koto na ba ni ekuno yenye hunu nipa okuno se oye police ni se oye den se oye hwan ene ekwan de ntia yekun won minia Jimmy say police report wo ho me pese me hu na me hwe report no mu na me hunu nia okun won ihwehwemu akoso won ne yede na kosi because sani ono aka nipa wukwa na wensu say ye tuo a won na tutu good
so the police
2000
2000
yes
2000 says the Ghanaian police
but your date in my confused no what about date no about date
so no ni masam kroka uni masam krokro po
senior me na me kasa na ma bisa wa na odi ama
me na me phone na
kasa
Jimmy read it
I think it's simple on in the 2000 election Satam na 2000 millennium year
madam nipa 8 no omo ewu 2000 me na me kasa but this wa dey no 20 people 2020 no you don't know this guy madam asembe na mbisa nipa 8 ewu 2020 no
who say been see that
don't let him distract you
no he's not distracting me
what I asked the mbisa tie menje enti na mbisa date he should keep it he has nothing. What na platform is so?
You
Mabisa nipa 8 wu ye 2020. Ani hwehwemu akoso. Wo kasa emu. Wo say nyabotra he doesn't have evidence. I asked of the date or say the year 2000. The year 2000 and nipa 8 ni wu ye. Don't let him trick you.
No, it's not tricky.
So it's good. Let me proceed. He has nothing.
I wanted to read it. But because you if anything, sir nipa 8. You know what provide?
Unprovided, madam, don't buy it.
All right.
Nipa wu 2020 what the idea about was 2000, the year 2000. Yanyam kwala o. Say sabi uni ani die ma ho a. Enye omo ehwe yen. Matna platform is so asema ayeka. Aye say nipa 8 ewu 2020 year to abano. Memeti hai minim sanhwehwemu bi akoso a minim se ya chi obi a because etuo ene yediku won nipa na tutuo no and I want to know ana wotena ha say police aye report na wode my there will say provide proof. What they buy will say the year 2000. My visa 2000 accept. My visa the year 2000 accept. So let this. You see, I was saying. These are some of the reasons why I was a Ghana and Ibia to about tier MPP. Nipa 8 yakuomo eye tuo ne bomo nipa ne tutuo. Do you have it now? Me say me people who see police report wo ho. Wo dey man wo say the year 2000 me bisa the year 2000 asem. Eye ni bresem. Until with all this ekoso no man panyini na nado danko ekufuado yate ne ho nsem bebre ono na nipa nkwa na human right on person yetiti nipa ne ade under him as president yakoto aba nipa 8 awu onko gina sorry bia ene asofuo bia nim enko kan ho asem na mom obi koprapra obi fie a ade ode koye no ono no wo ho ha so no so say mashe date say oh watch na meba jimi ho nka me kan ka sabia so sabia nyaado evangelist would him say epa me ba no ade a me de ba no mu say MPP for na debate e me ba be hia ho what me be hia dan ho you understand that's how why hefa can say for example me still be the idea bro evangelist now Jimmy change na try date ade dana me de ade ne bro na Jimmy si oba be hia no when they say oba be hia no, you see, as someone here can example be a best must be premised on a I have an NDC for so mukoshia abua ponchi nipama ponchi yanko yes nipama ponchi yanko nipama ponchi saying why should he say that? No, nipama ponchi he's not nipama Diane Kawasa retract it. Apapoya day. You should retract it. But you shouldn't say. Apapoya day. Yes. Apapoya punching. Good. Mate, proceed. You say he's a human being. Proceed. He's also a human being. Oh, let me retract it. Let me retract it. No. On Chinsan. Moving on. No. And I make us example making this. Send this for say oh, some people say oh, His Excellency, former president. Na emebuna when this one hey, yes, Sudan, they make upon all the dates, no one yet date to be as say a dance, say a year or 2 packers, say all and there was some because of 16th now 26th, 16th, no, I am not the one corner second is good for you people to go and do your pay. But you didn't go now 26th. What should they do? I feel your why did you go on a Muslim? You have an agenda. Diane, M say before MPP Nina program ikra na ye di sa nkomo ya asi asanso akoyechi with the agenda the NDC youth mamenka ya agenda na nkyerɛ NDC youth ya agenda ne say ye kosiesie o mampanyini John Dramani Mahama na so ye emraben na tia date anytime emraben no until say once asema ye kan Ghana for ehwe omu tie ye enti bibia wo kan bia na wo se wunya ngina so because you don't know more than the ohwe wo no and me say what beside agenda I've kept telling you said the agenda was to clean president and that is what we have done. Bisi ye niso ade hunu ne say ko Diane yakọ akoye clean up exercise ye announce it was public knowledge ye the date to ho emre so ye yakoye ye free ho nipa ba kokura etirihwi antofo obi amore entu ye siesie hwa wie why is it news na emom se minimo bia national security ama na nko na omudi nkyeremu ba ye se baabi a okọ no ebetumi de ohaw ne yone aba no eye aboa papo oti ase ono anaban ni ohwe ban bo sem ho estopo no e kire no se ade a okoye no ebetumi di yone aba but nya NDC youth yakoye ya wie o obi akoni fie o ena mra bi antia say wo be kwa ha because we kwa ha edu de aden kura ye national security matter omo na decide but for now yakopra ho ya wie obi a wo bibia office no eye open eno na nwanwa no eno na ye menwanwa no se enne so obi ekosiesie baabi ana obi ko di baabi ni a omampanyini susu se eno ne de enye na obagina asofo anim na waka nya de omampanyini aye no de no de nti no ekwai be ya
eni nuoma amode koye no ene bia
Diane
enye nsika eni nuoma amode koye beyini se
enti good
ebia make say edua bia nsi kuma wodi eni se de jimidi nkaka isi ni se excellence for president biani adie bia se bi
Jimmy no enim se ndua na enura ni ho
I am sure say
enye de wo ya sure
we pay
madam
to keep the house.
madam say even payment no
that's an article 71 woda
eba omampanyini dada krampo asu ye ne wona ye adwuma wo ho a MPP fuo ya ne won tro ya one of omo communicators ebe kan ye se ye tua omampanyini ka ye bo no ho kane ade ema omampanyini John Dramani Mahama nankasa ono ebe kan ye se asema brand ye ne ka no enim ono if I'm telling you oti ono afie are you aware?
I am aware.
Adenti ena mra ne se omampanyini bi awie a ewo se oman no emani yamane he no I don't want that conjectures yamane baby a ne waka bi a ono na tue omka I can pull it for you two here enti mama ne metena ha ena ban tua ne workers ka se obi nsiesie ho ne oye enu nti se emaburu susu se notwithstanding no ye bibi a omuni kwan se omo so omo obi bi omo susu se most of the time I organize clean up exercise ne ade no the same date as what do we have special dates for clean up exercise? Do we have no maybe be am person me dem right na ndi wo be am nim
data me se beba ho no o say date kura na ba be clean
wo maye no kura national security tie wo maye no kura national security say eno betumi de ye stop but me nkoye no national security and stop me makosi esie ho sika nkotokuro se doma machine
eda me se member
Diane
wo se eda na ne ba be sisi okay mama want me ankosisi o me student me tu sheda afeda me sanso me san ba bi mu no eno so so dana na mo sanso aka
Diane
se ko mo sisi se
Diane
mama let's go
I think say adena na me de kire wa o mpese me de be kire ni nyina no mo hwe fidie no ebetimi I have a look at it. I think there's a reporter Ghana police for yeah omodema media for crama media for a publish here so
yes I can see there's 5 lives we actually lost during the 2020 general elections. This is according to the National Election Security Task Force.
Yes. So
report
this is from the Ghana police. Their logo is there.
Of course I can see.
So
Lady Diane, send me masem no reacted. That is the report. That no, I want to understand. Enye me no dey mami. On person meti ase.
Wangasa umpe.
Mrs. Sunday mami kura. Sunday.
Look at this.
You have read it. Have I read it?
This in discipline. Wangasa you be kasa. Look at this attitude.
Jimmy.
Let's not take Jimmy.
This is the way you go.
This is how you behave.
This is how you behave. You have nothing to say. Diane, look at this. Diane, discipline. What say
discipline. This is indiscipline. It's indiscipline.
Diane, let him retract. Let him retract.
You requested for a report.
This is
reading a report. Police report now, so
let him retract. This is a.
And you even lied. Look at the information here.
Jimmy, hold on.
Me see, the information they were saying. You are giving wrong figures.
No, listen.
Wrong numbers.
The fact
numbers no only no.
Also once time say this is the real reporter. Yeah, Maridi Adro. You evangelist said the former punching and it wasn't proper because Sebius will be at the money at Tono. So Oka will be in the former punch. It's a big insult, and I said, say fine, don't say it. And
what did I say? When you said that, what did I say?
Did you retract it?
Yes, I did.
Jimmy,
he has called me in discipline.
He didn't retract. Well, just tell me, call someone. When I guess why, yeah.
Let's move on.
The issue.
No, Diane, he has called me indisciplined.
I wanted you to allow.
I would deem it attacking me. You did not invite me to hear this morning. You did not invite me. He said that.
Please.
He must apologize.
Hold on, Jimmy, please, don't go that way.
Look at the number of minutes
Jimmy sitting here. Have I attacked him?
Did you hear me talking?
Retract it.
Have I used any word on?
Please.
I will not retract it.
That's not fair.
Diane,
I will not retract.
I will want to.
He didn't retract the insult on our papa.
He will not retract. I did not retract it. At 4 a.m.
That's
what I want you to stick to it.
He must retract and apologize.
Please.
Either than that, he has nothing for a report. He has no report. You have read the report.
Me try me one, but me buy a better so. Me try me one, me buy a better so.
Oh, how to make for Dory for Bigo Plus amount. Sell Jewonoma, a boost to immune system. Make sure say come with Janoshi, the canoe serious one, a putty iron getting kitty be a fully pedrian. Sada na milk no complain said, Hunam Nina Janeja. Na me man or Dory for Bigo Plus no, a boost to immune system. Make sure say a can in Mojanoshi. Ama and Nemuku Ejina brand.
Hey, sir, Dory for Bigo Plus, and you follow me, I do it.
Who called your motor Jobia? We are Dory for Bigo Plus.
Hey, Dory for Bigo Plus.
It is our heart capsules.
It's in a yard, the catcher must say, oh, now who's a hundodo, and now what I am ra. Na a trace immune system no annoying. A banasa, oh, yeah, a drobit is a Dory for Bigo Plus. Na etimi boost immune system no me chese ebeka omujana no hye na etimi akwetia ya we kronkro biara a ewo ni paduani e mare mfi se busumi edikan no wo fedro ya wontimi ne ohukani enhia oba kai se obeyisu panty liner na wotimi di woni ehu enoma e besenako minua bema kai hunu se busumi ba akwa kwantu enafo nti se wontimi a no apebibi e de abo ho ban
Dory for Vigo Plus, and yet open for an abofra winya and fear domian.
Abba, I need you some new. Odi4 bakopa awurade yi no ama ya awiemre mu ni odi4 Samson kwaku yebo a dodo na friend no awiemfo ba papa ye mpaibo wo kuada na waye sunsumunwuma nso efiada na ne kwasi eda nso so no wode asori checheche apisu amaye kona kohwe odi4 Samson kwaku yebo ansechire ne dia wo ye japekrum empokire ben ne da wo so konso ben no bonsam dia to wo so yinyina ebebie ama hoto aba de wo pa aware de wo pa kwantuo entutu mirika enkopiem ewo drobu japekrum papa san ehwe ne a woni bie enyanka papa hwe won nyina gi mmofrei ehwe won kosi se wo befiri ne nanse akọ de dadwina ye ne sokodanna na wachi wiase afa na nyina ahotoma wontutu mirika me enkopiem ewo drobu japekrum fre odifo ewo 0243356583 odifo Samson kwaku yebo a osi awiemfo ba
fa enchemi na hit no ano I did so fast forward akasima kakra bi na be ma eti fo kai amo mo evangelist eka from afonchi in well so
it didn't go well with Owusu Bempa.
Oh, that's what the kind of agent is. So that's what you need for one punch. Two friends say you for one punch. Nobody would like it.
Diane. Who tell me?
I'm listening.
Me tna kuma wood so. I can say abrantie bi MPP ni abrantie. Your friend na aboa papon. Na papon kira ponche. Me kasa mu no. Me ka say nipa mu aponche. Me twe esan.
Me that say. Jimmy Mpacho, what can say also for a year in discipline? Mr. So very retracting.
Mr. So say also for evangelist. When the time a can't do baking in every year. Them say would me time of mammy I make a son. And now obey team see more mammy can say or in discipline. Timis me retracting. Timis no. I think say reporter na ye kan ho asem no. Obia wo browser ebitimi akoje na wa search for report no Ghana police report no de ma media for ye den publish a report no. And my about 5 media platforms are wo capture the Ghana police report. Any omo no mo responsible, that is the elections BB tax. Also National Election Security Tax Force. Omo yes I report to it. Enti die na ono kan wan say obi anka hwanfa no, the report has been proven. And na the sakopie mu kura ne say it looks like information na the my nyina no. Na the figures were wrong. The figures were wrong. The medichira oni nyina no, the figures were different from what he was saying. And going forward, the way Casarosi bomb the Jimmy Boachansa research says, you know, I believe, say, Asamna Metana, say, I'm a kind. Ubia or Peso kind reporting be can have a city FM.
Okay.
And that's a city newsroom.
Yeah, city news.
5 deaths recorded during election 2020. Into Uko region BR. A DBSC no. I say read full statement below. A DBSC the information is there. Region, your central, your greater Accra, your Bono East, all the regions. A DBSC one incident, baby or crana will be free. But Abia, a month when heading the prior, or more engaging in some activities, even civilians are or more call centers, Eko Yana, and yet the involvement of the police in Kaunyan. It has been captured there. Okay. The report is what is there. Yeah, okay. But the can say, Adibi Wonoma, and yes, I say, you belong to this political party. I will need 1 minute.
I'll give you.
I belong to, then I also need 1 minute. And yes, I belong to this political party. Then, when the issue comes up and we are talking about it, you general political party, now you have the credibility not to change. Say, and maybe no be kuta second. I display. I the emphata in the public view. I believe say it must be condemned at all levels. Now, young call and penifo, a software, any woman may say civil societies.
Okay.
See, issue you see, I mean, it is a civil society we are about can was. But who said, Mampany the can was, even Mampanyas more kind of cry, Mumna, among folk condemn say, when you right to say, Ocasi. And we must see young cannot correct.
All right.
Sib ye Christo form, young cannot correct.
Okay.
Because, say, what's a Ghana Mampany? In Ra and a serenity near me wouldn't fear, Mampany that thou. See, it's not if you just near Cassansim winning Nana. We are not being truthful to woman.
Evangelist, about 1 minute.
Diane, Medasi, near Mr. say, may the Adia Bichel, but your then I'm the trail.
I saw the 8 or so.
8 people killed during the Ghana 2020 election. Police. The story is there. My main mount.
The source.
Yes. Ghana Business News.
Okay.
8 people killed. And so be aircraft contrary figures. Na me make 8, na make 8. Now the
difference. You have a difference when I hear.
Madam, I agree.
Yeah.
I know interested you no can me to me aka say enye no kre. Eye da nipa wu. Se nipa one ye ni nipa half.
No.
Men so me die ekura me a me de kire ho no 8 people killed. Police logo eda so. Omo ama obia ni edin ene ni age. But mrenti minua ekoso eka na we nka ho hwe na we nka ho hwe. Madam enche bia Ghana first emebunu bi omo ne fix the country. Aye so omo ye demonstration. Ye hu police ekochichi omo. Ene ne ekoso enche you. Menya sure say di 3 months. Now so the picture on this platform was being painted say John Dramani Mahama no ono ni NDC for ye two trafo. Meanwhile the omkoye no so omu show sikan so omu show rake so omu show hacksaw police enkofa obia police in car say and national security in car so obia ye bone but you want to sit here and paint them black ni oye say o person okoye ni ye kire no national security stop no emo man kire mu say ebetumi di yoni ama obi a wakoye na de ahwiansi obi akọ ne fie no onu mo ye nipa bone ni one demonstrators who under Nanado Danko Ekufuado law school students kurampo yedin suo share these are there Nanado legacy
that's it Jimmy go ahead
me dey 1 minute nisi no mfise obi ohwe fidie ye hunu the okan krene the onkan kre earlier on you said you don't have the report un said me the 5 there by no wetimi akofa there we say police I say a police report so you come and sit here and then you lie for what reason?
You see, you are watching him.
You said you didn't have
now I came here to lie. Diane, and you are watching. But to me, you come in. Why?
Information here, sir. Diane. Omo mo hwe fidie no. Diane time I'm about program.
Diane,
and then this communicator. Diane the host to come on his side.
Oh, can you imagine this?
He said it. He said
it.
He said it.
Make her day.
And then again.
Diane, it appears this gentleman has no respect for me, and I want to tell it on record.
What kind of reporter?
Land naming.
And then you 8. All right. About to 2024. No, you show more kind of credit. Never manage someone.
Me that say Jimmy.
Ghana phone him the kind of credit or Ghana politics. Money the own kind of credit.
Afraid na yakuye no 46 minutes after.
Or share increment for Bokra went to me.
Well, let's go quickly. Of course, you're live on Facebook. Come on,
Islamic schools.
Live on YouTube, come on with TV, some tacos. And then
toilet. Yeah, basic toilet.
Yeah, live. Evangelist.
Diane, me feel you wrong. Me feel you. But no kwere wo menye there. Yeah, but platform you do. Obia fa enyidi ema no ho.
I don't like it.
Aside everything no.
Aturun wonjai.
I bet you. Say ase okay.
Wonjai.
Onkoni kromo, onyim ni kromo. Onyim ni propaganda wonjai. Wonjai propaganda.
Mbacho ma bro no, ma mbacho me pay it bia. Me pay didi bia.
Collect one friend.
Propaganda wonjai.
One no pay wa she. Abanja wala ni pa se dai wa. No fa menyu nsi wodo.
Propaganda na atol.
Esuko ma.
Let's go give me.
Oh, she ni nanko ahroba enko.
Asmi esuko no ma.
Oh, hello, good morning.
I want no ochede me penyina.
Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Me don mpacho ma me fa me calls Mr. Mo. Most why man no pay me njo yan call.
Hono ma ya shame pe.
Onya sam kakra bo mama abrempo.
Eh, o mama headache pa o.
Serious.
We dey sorry why.
Man say me da say.
Aka e ma na won ku no kra me no we ye tie kata na tension na popom. O ku mu ni bi akwaso. Ada we wa ni na ka ga na juma no we da ma se ada to ja mo bibi e.
Politics.
Sira wa se. Ye party. Before the young one who do that, the no good at the point. And say, Papa, no, now. One of point now, I can pay for good Ghana. Or more going now, because I'm not saying no now. You know, I get Panama, also matter. All not the papa behind the mother for Pumpuron. What is one done? What did you want? Yoga minister, yes, even more. Yoga minister,
me da say what's a frame na yon kwe azomo groma say bejo every this for them will be coming at actually so many them. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello. Hello, good morning. Oh, Jamila in some pachoka same ho. Hello, good morning. Me don pacho udini baby aframe me free. Me pacho mo anonko. Okay. When to me engineer so bit me about this an SMS that came in. Kelly says that Diane, you've seen that 10 years. You said you host a political show. They will come and there will be blows. I won't read it again. Mejai. This is from Kelly. Kelly said, Diane, good morning. In fact, your studios are so hot this morning. Greetings to both the MPP and the NDC. Jimmy has fought, but the evangelist doesn't want him to talk. At the end of the day, we shall say, you know, Kelly. Mejayo. No, but the evangelist doesn't want Jimmy to talk. 2024, we shall see if Mahama will come and exhibit his one term for us or not. Okay, Mejai, my memra Facebook Live. This is no wait for me. Okay, Facebook Live 1 2. Oh, okay. I didn't so ask people. Me fear na member more behind. Okay, Mama Fakwala. Okay, now it has open. I'll come back and read it. Okay. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello. Hello, good morning.
Hi, morning.
Me don't want to say.
Hey, Mama, Diane.
But you ain't no pay.
You never can do what I can, Papa.
All right, ain't you?
Nothing me that say. My sister who said the whole Ghana, every before one a woman, every before one a day, your man or Matelea. Montaigne, or say you're quite well, or what's there, baby Kakra. Up to now, I want to match country I came and pay you know. And so I can say you are Ghana, oh, hey, and pay for more and pay you now, can be a channel. What a cat. I'm not going to get clean up. Oh, John, I'm a fear. I don't know one TV that. I don't know one in photo 1 2. Papa for that. Mama, no, can't no. Oh, you said the baby can have before when you can power by now. He won't cafe. Why, but me now, would you to know? Ah, okay, I can't cry. Oh, my morning about me. There's all that drama that you want to class and how. I'm not what I want to move. What's the mama answer? I don't cry. Tell us to with you. Bye bye.
Okay, so my link in a day and mommy. I have this from a food to Facebook Live. You can go Koowaa TV. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, Patrick.
I'm a good girl.
I'm some kids.
That's right.
Matse.
That's it. It's now, because I cried every before no also I'm funny because Mama to say Mr. As you see my so funny no ma and so money because on one dear brand on cash on time and no more cry yes more people in it's another back. Why, if you are almost going to go there, I'm so I dear and I'm sure there is a handy program. I'm sure.
I'm trying. Thank you, Evangelist. Me few, me also watch the Dana Miss Jimmy dear, we are mentioning blue back on to come. Hello, good
Hello, Diane.
Hi, good morning.
Malaysia, wow, me a Diana Baku Ginashi.
Never ain't you on pay.
You know what you asante the quest. You did the bakwa my say papa. That was the why are they probably for the I'm challenging na phone na na we phone na ko pam pam. Dan ka kra me kan na say dan and some here. Na and some the count dan. And people know this dan would you diagro. Ara na make us there. The what has be more man. Na dem tell me know this in na me dan man me mere. The young people because na na ba ni ba na some of them from Muhammad dan na time. Oh my God, Muhammad ba yes sebi. Muhammad the body me share and people not like you so. So they know talk is many me no mo dey gusuno na easy. Enti anything e or yes ama na me ga ma ase and people request go bonus ana make us share one people mama so and so we prefer on yes and people be no mo faka mama ho e do asofo e do nkula e do mewa ada mo ba ni jimi ka mo mo ke dey about 1 people for mo tell the the people the mama that na and people for kind of correct agbogbo ni mo so say yẹn kúrò ní mbẹ́ni fèmí ma bẹ̀rù mi kò jìnnà yẹ twẹ́ntọ́ na ẹni kò jìnnà yẹ twẹ́ntọ́ npp fún communications na ẹni bá yẹ twẹ́ nkúrò àmì twẹ́ na bẹ́ẹ̀ náà npp ndc na ẹni mìíràn ní wọn bí ndc sọ ṣẹ́ mbẹ́ na máa kàn fún ndc pọ̀ afẹ́ ẹni yẹ kẹ́bí àfàmù a wọ́n ní abẹ́lẹ̀ npp fún ìlú náà twẹ́m dáa npp fún ọmọ bẹ́ẹ̀ politics bi ọmọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ọmọ nkàlù politics ẹni bẹ́ẹ̀ bí before ndẹ̀.
Oh, I didn't hear me. I didn't know. Oh, evangelist, don't put me there. Now, most of my cats are me. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Me pa someone on komedo.
Asante ni wapenzi bofo.
Asante macho yinti wanope.
Asante
mane so takama me.
Hello.
Aha, yanko.
Ya so ma mu na atu aba. That's a ballot box. That's a big kwatama. Nti also president for ni jano. Hello.
Me too.
So ma mu na atu aba. Na ballot box obi pa jitka. That's what ko page na so the Ghanaian anti president for so mo jano. Ghana president for no say omo na abadam bo. Ebi atampa omo yo de na ebi atampa ne dia so mo chi onyansa. O ma mu na atu aba. Ama ballot box okabia na nkube ja so de Ghana. Ebi Ghana de kwa ne. So nti mo na mo ba na obi de chi onyansa. Nti ndi president for no mo ne Ghana dia. Na bro ne ko mo chi onyansa. Ye ma sika se ko ye sa de na. Ni kwa se ko ye. O ko ye dia president for no mo tu nku. Lo so na de ba e ba no.
Okay. Me da CP me fala scholar na sorry me dey so na. Hello, good morning. Hello. Okay, so waiting for your calls, but my member Facebook Live. If this is a good morning, my sweet Diane, of course, your lovely team. Good morning to you. Please kindly share this video to friends and family to be blessed. Thank you. If I said you love this, thank you so much. I think that's a flexible messages that came in on Facebook. This is WhatsApp. Hey, baby, stop your messages. So okay, last caller now, Manti Ebeko. Okay, and you. Lucky I don't have a caller, so I will just do this SMS and crying to me bimpo. Okay. Because of your words, it's not opening. Diane, let me tell you, Evangelist is the best communicator for NDC. He has facts, and of course Jimmy also have facts, but at the end of the day, this one says 8, this one says 5. Which is which? At the end of the day, different numbers and different people. Trust me, 2024 it will be massive. Whether Jimmy's team will win or Evangelist team will win, but trust me, Abua Papum is a punching. See, why are you looking at me like that? Why are you looking at me like that?
Diane.
Yes, darling.
We are here having a program. You don't want me to look at you. Hey. Yoko. Mamenfa demukwanido. Na mensre Ghana for there. Ghana for before 2016, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia ebo apro kan noma bebre one na nado danko ekufuado se ba no Dr. Mahmoud Baumia na nado ka se ono na Nyankopon de wiase nimdie nyina adom no me wo video no ebi a won so wate 7 years ni Dr. Mahmoud Baumia as vice president and head of the economic mismanagement team oma mismanage oman yesikasem to a point say enne dokuno na wo 2016 woton 1 cedi ane CNT bi da Ghana ye den dollar no na nado ka say ayeta sa time na ye 3.8 last year dollar cost 17 cedis and around 12 cedis yembisa omo say COVID-19 Ukraine Russia Queen Elizabeth wo Israel Hamas
all right
wey excuse and Dr. Mahmoud Baumia say babio then all catch rewo ye wunu say oman na ye wodi ye media NDC beba NPP beba at the end of the day dwe wiye obanbo ene okanko entime can for his excellency John Dramani Mahama waye bida
okay
ye hu de oyeye o sasre se munya na dom
all right
come 7 December 2024 or the 24-hour economy and eba
me da say
obia benye adwuma ye
Diane
Jimmy
me de bia me ka say betumi be catch ro say me ma 24-hour economy what you say but me catch ro no me vice president da
yeah
me di president da me be di vice be di president nya ma hu say bibi wo ho no my friend 24-hour economy time a minya akonya beye mampani no tie mi o
me tio
me ntumi ama hairdresser afo anya o madwuma na light ni ho me ntumi ama baba afo anya o madwuma na light ni ho omo ye welders mo de kanea twitwa ndade me ntumi ama mo anya adwuma na light ni ho me coast afo mo de kanea efrizi enam me ntumi ama mo anya adwuma na kanea ni ho pure water for the easy job obia betimi ayi bi omo kora na omo nya kanea fa nchele omo nsuo no masoa universities na omukọ prep secondary schools omukọ prep enwumre idum light 6 na ebe so bi magisa no passes omonya kan am fensu ade omo ye magazines omo print papers no so omo ye nanajo the next morning na graphic anyway na iden I ready all these things put together now we are mampeni you didn't know anything when we say na bibi your friend 24 hours and ne what for back ba be catch say o the 24-hour economy ba but 24-hour economy no so no untimi nchechire mu entiase entiase Ghana for some entiase
all right
now we say invite say omo mu interested company say interested emfa application ye den emra enti say obi kudina sa de we so the to abad ma na at the end of the day o company bi amfa application number then it becomes a hoax.
Okay.
A liar.
All right. With our CP. And we say for Jimmy Bachansa and our communication for the TP also the evangelist power or also a communication team member. The evangelist the way today dear omo and I'm no more Eddie man of people that shake for this morning executive producer for the show Ora Sam Darko Sansona producer extraordinaire Jake the adorable the obi anyakopon on sharp papa akwasi admako junior and director Sansona famous any face up and a bomechidom MCL ama edijumede bro as the PC tankoma odi for ewin for ba something kwekwe bo sanso na do for Vigo plus for so no ye better wo must always being do modi o musika e support ye me edijumede bro me di edi Diane e bodon kwahia mo Kumase 104.1 am di Kumase kwanso jumede no so e be ba be so mo pacho yakra ye watch na no pa have a good day bye.